Hello again. In this video, we are going to look at using keywords in your resume. We will discover their importance when writing a resume. We will also look at some examples of keywords in both job descriptions and resumes. To begin, let's explain what keywords are. Employers use keywords when describing a job to an applicant. They describe the kinds of things they are looking for in a successful applicant. Do you remember the job advertisement from Unit 1? Let's look at it again. The keywords used here are related to the job being advertised. These include greeting clients, excellent organizational skills, good communication skills. Now, after reading this job advertisement, it is really important when applying to this position you refer to these keywords in your resume and your cover letter. Why is this important? Well, because the employer who reads your resume and cover letter will be looking for these keywords to decide if you have the key skills and qualifications to do the job. Nowadays, many employers are using computer software to search through resumes looking for keywords. Without these keywords, these employers are not likely to invite you to an interview. Instead, your resume may go into the recycling can. And we don't want that to happen, do we? So, what can you do to avoid this from happening? Well, as I said, it's vital that you include some of these keywords from the job advertisement in your resume and cover letter. So let's see how we can do that right away. This is Yelena Hernandez's resume. She is applying for the Clients Services Coordinator position we just looked at. Has Yelena used any of the keywords from the job advertisement in her resume? What do you think? In the summary section, she says, very organized, lots of experience working in a busy working environment, proficient in typing and Microsoft Office software. All these terms refer to the keywords in the job advertisement. So, Yelena is doing a great job here using keywords in her resume. In conclusion, in this video, we looked at keywords and examined how it's really important to include these in your resume. Using these keywords will help you to get noticed by employers and give you a better chance of getting called for an interview. Next, we'll look at a reading on using keywords effectively.